no, 4 months I think. Today we're going to be cooking. Why am I not in frame? It's actually terrible. But today we're going to be cooking chicken goujons, maybe wedges, because why not? So the ingredients you're going to need are, like, if you're going to do it yourself, garlic granules, paprika, some like spray oil, or you can use normal oil and like spread it on however you like, some pieces of bread and chicken breasts. I got 2 packets because I'm making them for me, my mum and my dad. And you also need an egg. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up. Wait, no. What we're going to do first is we're going to wash our hands. So once you've cleaned your hands, you're going to open the chicken. And it feels really like, but you want to wash your chicken, like, so it doesn't get, you know. Once you've washed the chicken, you're going to grab a jug, or whatever you want to use. And you want to put an egg into it. If you get egg in there, it doesn't matter. Just like get it out with a spoon, or you can like wet your hands and get it out. So some shells fell into here, so I'm gonna get it out now. We've changed the angle so you can probably see. But once you've got the egg in there, you're gonna grab some milk. Just add like a tiny bit in. What you're gonna do is you just want to like, with that much will be fine. But I think because I'm cooking for everyone else, I'm going to add another egg into there, just because I know we need it for more people. So like so, let's crack it and open it, and there you go. Add a little bit more milk. Oh. And then once you've got all that, just get a fork and whisk it all up. When you finish whisking, it should be like a little, wait, oh. Whisking, it should be like a little pale yellow colour. Done all that, just set this aside and get a glass bowl and get some bread and just like tear it into small pieces, as small as you can get it. So once you've done like doing all your bread, you're gonna get a chopping board and you're gonna grab your chicken. Oh, you're gonna grab your chicken and you're gonna grab some meat knives if you have some. No, meat scissors if you have some, and then a knife if you don't have some. So what you want to do is you want to lay out your chicken as flat as possible, and you're going to cut it lengthwise. So you're going to cut it like this. Then you've got a strip, which would be your first goujon. And then you're just going to keep cutting down the middle. Repeat that process all the time, and then when you cut up some, you're just going to put them into the milky concoction, yeah, and then you're just going to put them in there for a bit. Once you've like cut up all your goujons, you're gonna want to like mix it all in to the solution. Like, just mix it around for a bit. You've got all your chicken solution done. Get your bread and put your seasonings in. Depending on how much spice you like, put more of this. If you don't like spice that much, put less, because these do get really spicy. Just stir it around. And then you're going to put in your garlic granules. And mix those up a little bit. And any parts in here that are like, you think are too big, just tear them up a little bit. Next, you're going to grab one of the chicken goujons. You're going to let it drizzle a little bit. Then you're going to place it in, and you're just going to like spread it over the top. You're going to like sprinkle these bits on top, and then, so with the oil that you're going to use, you're going to open it up. You're going to use a baking tray to cook these. So what you're going to do, you're just going to spray your baking tray, and then just going to like leave that to set. Once you've covered your goujons, you want to pick it up and transfer it to your baking tray. Once you've put all of the chicken goujons onto your tray, you're going to get your spray again, and you're just going to like spray the oil onto them. To spray them, I'm just gonna, I've already got some in the oven because I just did some. And then you're just gonna place them into the oven for I'll say about 20 minutes. An oven with gas marks, I'd say gas mark 6 or 7. I don't know what that would be in like Fahrenheit or whatever it's called, but I'll have to search it up and then I'll put it in the description. You take out your goujons, you just want to make sure to cut the biggest one and make sure that there's no pink on the inside. So that's how you know that they're done, because the biggest one is always the slowest one to cook. So once you've done cutting that and they're completely fine, plate them up and then dish them with whatever you want. So I've finished cooking them and this is what they look like. So this is what we're gonna mix that. It's mayo and ketchup. We've got lettuce, chips and the goujons, and this is what I'm gonna be eating for dinner.